purchased this dual SIM card reader on AliExpress, which is for an iPhone 11. In this video, I'll test it out to see if it really works. So to get access to the reader, I need to open the phone, take out the two pentlobe screws, and I'll place it on my heat plate, which is set at 90 degrees Celsius. I'll leave it on for about 1 minute. If you already know how to take out screens, you can skip this step. After about 1 minute, I'll take it out. Then I'll apply some 99% rubbing alcohol to the bottom. This should also help soften the adhesive. Remember, this is the method I use. You don't have to use this. There's so many ways to open an iPhone. And I like to grab my opening tool and I'll create a gap. Once my opening tool is inserted, I'll gently wiggle side to side, making sure I don't force it. I'll apply more alcohol. I normally keep the phone on when I'm opening the screen. That way I know if I end up damaging the screen. So I keep wiggling side to side gently. Once the gap is made, I'll grab my guitar pick, insert it in between the gap, take out my opening tool, then gently try to cut through the adhesive holding the screen down. Also while applying some alcohol. So here you can see I'm taking my time and I'm never forcing it one way. Just going gently up and down, applying more alcohol. So I keep doing this process till I get close to the top. That's where I'm gonna stop. So now I'm close to the top. I'll stop and go to the other side and repeat the same process. Also taking my time. And now I've gotten to the top on the other side. I like to grab the bottom and wiggle gently. The iPhone 11 should open to the right side. So while I wiggle, I'm wiggling to the right side. And also apply some alcohol to the top here. Just a little bit. Wiggle some more and the phone should be open. So now it's open. I want to take out the plates, holding down the flex cable with my tri-point screwdriver. I take out the plates, starting from the one holding down the battery. I always like to disconnect the battery first. That way I avoid any short circuits during repair. Okay, now the bottom plate is out. I'll disconnect the battery right here. So not sure if you can see it. Disconnect the battery. Make sure it's out of the way and not sitting close to the connector. Next, I'll take out the top plate, which has 5 screws. Always making sure I'm keeping my screws safe and making sure they're organized. That way I can put them back in the same way I took them out. So now the screws are out, I'll take out the plate. I'll disconnect the flex cables to the screen. There's 2 on the bottom. And there's 1 on the top, which is for the speaker. Right there. Now the screen is out. So now I need to take out a SIM card reader. That way I can put in the new dual SIM card reader. Okay, to take out the original SIM card reader, I need to take out the screws. But before that can be done, I need to take out a SIM card tray. And now with my flathead screwdriver, I'll take out the screw on the top. And the 3 other screws on the bottom. My Phillips screwdriver, I'll take them out. There's 2 and this one right here. And there's a metal thing right here that stays with it. So keep that safe. Now disconnect this flex cable. Take out a plate. Now I have access to the SIM card reader's flex cable. I'll disconnect it. I'm not sure if you can see it. This one right here. That easy, the SIM card reader is out. I'll grab the dual SIM card reader and put it in. Personally, I don't need 2 SIM cards, but I know some people do need or like dual SIM cards. So hopefully this works. So if someone watching this video and wants to do this repair can go try it out. So now connect the flex cable to the SIM card reader. Make sure it's properly connected. Okay, I think I heard the click. So right there, looks connected. So since I just want to test it, I won't be putting back all the plates and screws yet. I'll just put a couple of screws just to hold it down for now. I'll put the top one and I'll put the bottom one just to hold it down. That way I can test it. Then I'll connect this flex cable. I'll put back the screen to test. I'll connect the battery and I'll turn on the phone. Okay, now the phone is on. I'll grab the SIM card tray that came with the reader. So unfortunately, I don't have 2 SIM cards to test this phone. I'll test both sides. So as you can see on the tray, 2 SIM cards can go on, 1 on the top and 1 below. So I'll test each side individually since I only have 1 SIM card. So I'll start with the top. Okay, it looks like it's reading. Perfect. So my network is on. You can see it here. So it's Virgin. So we can see that works. I'll test the other side. Okay, I'll place it on the other side. So this side has a plastic thing, which is going to help hold the SIM card tight. So I'll try to put it from the top, because if I put it from the bottom, I notice it doesn't fit. So I'll put it from the top and push it, and now it sits flush. Okay, so same thing, I'll connect it and see if it works. So let's see. Okay, that came on. Looks like it's reading, and bam, look at it. You can see it. My network is on. It says Virgin. So we can see that works. If you've tried this repair or you plan to try it, let me know how it works for you in the comments below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, check the video on the right. And for our repair playlist, check the playlist on the left. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.